Went ahead and cut these areas out. This is actually not as bad as I thought it would be because it was kind of pissing water through the epoxy, which is pretty telltale. There's water in there. The sun heats it up and just kind of boils right out. Been cutting down this side, and I think both me and the owner didn't actually expect too much rot, but there's actually quite a bit along the inboard side of this deck where it's just mud, you know? Like this crap is just toast. So this is all the coring. Good stuff. Soaking wet, nice and juicy. So I've been kind of cutting little pieces as I go to get to the wet areas. Kind of keeps going here and then stops a little bit. I don't want to cut too much. I should probably go a little bit more right here, but I don't want to keep going too far in one day. Otherwise, I might not have enough time to seal it back up. That's what's going on. So I'd like this to dry for the next hour or two, or during most of the course of the day, really. And then I'll do some sanding on the rest of this in the meantime. So, making some progress.